All right, on this new window air conditioner, let's go ahead and read that. It says, do not drill a hole into the bottom of the middle basin condensate pan. I highly agree with that. I haven't had the comments on my channel, but I've seen other comments on other channels that you should drill a hole into the middle base to drain out the water. And that right there is a big no-no. Let me explain. Right behind your condenser, you have your, a fan blade to help, ventilate, cool the condenser. And that fan blade has a ring around the circumference of the blade. It's called a slinger ring. And what happens is the water from the condensate pan, what it does is it actually picks up the water and slings it around on the condenser to allow more adequate cooling, hence increasing the efficiency. So if you want to drain out the water, the fan back there, your unit's gonna have nothing but air, which is detrimental to the your unit's efficiency. So your unit needs water right there in order for it to be able to be adequate. Some of you may be worried, well, the condensate water will just leak into your house or whatever. Well, what you do is you want to make sure your unit's on a slight angle. That will help the water drain down, and you want to take this apart and clean it every year. Clean around on the inside. Kind of spray off the condenser with a water hose and evaporator, but cover up the electronics, to keep from doing damage. But there's other options rather than drill a hole in your drain. That just very detrimental to the efficiency. I took a heating and air conditioning course back in college, and that's how I know the info.